Hey guys, it's me again, Marley. Today is kind of a huge, exciting day for me because I am finally putting on these wheels that I got almost 3 months ago, but I ordered them around the holidays, so it took a while to get here. But yo, I'm super excited. So I'm at PK Auto and they're putting them on right now and I cannot wait to see them.
Marley hasn't seen the wheels on her car yet, but I actually just got a little quick sneak peek of it and it looks great. I'm actually a little jealous, but I probably won't ever show her how much. Hey Marley.
Yeah?
You excited?
No.
Why aren't you excited?
I don't know. I'm really excited actually. Like super excited. Yeah. Like, do you remember? I cried. I cried when he told me they were here, and then like I've been bugging everybody about it, and I really want them on the car. I've been waiting so long. I'm gonna cry again.
Don't
cry. Excited. It's like you have your baby and then he's graduating to college, you know? Like that's how it feels.
Oh my god.
To go to Jimmy and be like, suck it.
Well, first of all, you now saw what your car looked like on the wheels. So,
yeah.
What do you think?
They look amazing. This is the first time I've ever had like nicer wheels and they look incredible. I loved my old wheels because they were a gift and I love the all black look, but the extra color is pretty freaking awesome. I freaking love these.
Okay. So you like the wheels?
I love the wheels. They're amazing. Like, no, seriously, I almost was in tears. I love the color, I love the design of them. I personally overjoyed. And I think they look different. I don't think this is a style that a lot of people have, nor is it a brand that a lot of people have, and I like kind of being the unique one, I guess. I think that's just me being a girl, but I love it. Seriously. It's only been a day and these are my new babies.
Well, it hasn't even been a full day.
Yeah, it's been like, what, 4 hours?
Yeah.
Not even that. So, driving with new tires. I've never had new tires before, and I've never had tires this big. So I upgraded from 245 to 275. And already I can feel the difference in tire, just the drivability alone. It's way smoother than the previous tires that I have. So now I'm driving home and I'm gonna do a photo op and I'm gonna love my new wheels and I'm gonna send pictures to all my friends and family, and I'll see you later. I don't want to crash the car, so I'm not gonna look at the camera again.